All right. I want to thank everybody so far, even those people that haven't been good with me. I want to say thank you to everybody that I've known so far. This is a time of appreciation once again. I want to thank my strengths. I want to thank myself. I want to thank God as well. That is someone spiritual handling all these battles. Yeah. I also want to thank everyone, good or bad, my enemies included. My friends, I'm not even having many of them. So the few that I'm having, I have to thank everybody. Your appreciation, I have to give it to you. You deserve it. You get me? Even the enemies, they have been motivating us to keep pushing. We are not going to stop pushing. Everything all the knowledge that we acquire, we are going to put them in practice to enable our future to be bright. In one way of talking, we're going to say something. We work hard though. We're not going to talk alone. We work. When time for work comes, we work. But in time for talking, we have to stand up and say something because it's very necessary. It's very necessary to grow a country. You buy the minds of every individual. Everyone cannot have the same ideology. Somebody has something to say. So that is why I'm coming out here to say what I want to say because it's what I want to say. I'm in that situation in the right mind to say it because I can't keep shutting up again. If I keep shutting up, it will be as if I'm not hot. And whereas I'm hot, I'm dying slowly. So I have to speak up what I have to say now that I still have the time before it gets too late for me and I will regret ever saying all these things. So thank you, my loved ones. Thank you, my enemies. You guys have given me the strength that I need. And with that strength, I'm going to run this race and it will surely come out grateful for every one of us that believe. Just keep believing and keep doing the right thing you have to do. Nevertheless, there are some paths that are leads to destruction or haywire. But still, so if I say you are in your life, you can still make the right choice by going to the right side. Just choose your side wisely. And remember peace and loyal. Be honorable. And you will see, you will surely get there. Don't play or you gonna learn. Yeah, don't play or you gonna learn. I still remind your boy Anonymous. Peace and love.